Konnichiwa, welcome back to my channel and today I have something to tell you. और बात ये है कि I have two news, one good and one bad. And let's start with the bad news. Okay, so bad news ये है कि I have left Guwahati and I probably won't go back anytime soon. Maybe I won't return this year. Maybe next year. क्योंकि I am kind of homesick lately and even if I join any work I wasn't able to do it. मुझे काम में बिल्कुल मन नहीं लगता था और वहाँ अकेले रहना मुझे और भी ज़्यादा I just feel so lonely because पहले मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता था जब मैं फर्स्ट आई थी, लेकिन जब मैंने बीच में घर पे टाइम स्पेंड किया कुछ महीने बीच पे आके, उसके बाद से like after I returned back and I found a new job there, or I just feel so lonely and very sad और हमेशा घर की याद आती रहती थी. So I have decided that कि मैं इस साल तो दोबारा गुवाहाटी नहीं जा रही हूँ और अगर जाऊँगी तो मे बी नेक्स्ट ईयर, और इस साल कुछ भी प्लानिंग नहीं है मेरा. And that was the bad news, but the good news is yes, I'm back home and I'm very happy. It's not like I am regretting leaving the city, and yes, the city life was very convenient, but I miss my home. और घर की याद तो हर किसी को आती है और घर तो हर किसी को प्यारी होती है. एंड आई लाइक बिफोर पहले मुझे ये बात रियलाइज़ नहीं हुई थी, लेकिन अब मुझे वो फीलिंग आ रही है लाइक आई एम लाइक अ वेरी होमली पर्सन और मुझे घर पे रह के ही अच्छा लगता है ज़्यादा. डिसीजन वॉज वेरी सडन और मैं सडनली आई वॉज जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट गोइंग बैक, बट everything happened so suddenly and I just packed my stuff and came back. And on the way we have faced a huge problem and let me tell you, पूरी रात I wasn't able to sleep because हम लोग ट्रैवल कर रहे थे और the road was very bumpy और उसकी वजह से even though I was like feeling very sleepy I wasn't able to sleep. area Karbi Anglong is a very hilly place, so पहाड़ी इलाकों पे जब पानी होती है then it becomes very flooded और आपको मैं वही दिखाने जा रही हूँ. तो let's see. Okay, so guys, I look so scary right now because as I have already shown you, and it's really dark and we are like in the nowhere, in place of nowhere, and I just wanted to go home. And it's like how much, let me see the time, it's like 3:28 in the morning and we are stuck in the middle of nowhere. And let me show you one thing. So guys, you can see this pool is like broken and the water is overflowing और उसके वजह से हम लोग अपने कार को पास नहीं कर पा रहे हैं क्योंकि we don't know what will happen if we do that, because the current is also very high and we don't want to risk it, so we are like stopping and let's see what happens. So you can see there are other cars, the moving vehicles, and they are like heavy loaded trucks and they can pass through this mess over here, and we can't because we have a small vehicle and they have a heavy one and they can easily pass through this one. And let me show you how scary this is.
সিহঁতৰ গাড়ী একো নহয়তো ইমান গধুৰ আছে
Here I'm showing you live here, and I'm not proud of it, but yeah, I'm happy to show you that I'm facing it. And आप लोग अंदाज़ा लगा लीजिए, this is very scary, very very. So, earthworms. There are a lot of earthworms everywhere. So this is the first time we are doing and trying to cross the road. It's already morning, and I don't know if they could do it. Just trying. I hope it's successful. I guess they did it. Since the first car attempt was successful, so we are trying to cross it too. As you can see, the water current is very very high and very scary. One wrong move and we'll like fall down. So I guess we did it and we crossed the road successfully. Yay. So I hope you liked my video. Or kal raat, yes, very hectic, or I wasn't able to sleep, even though I spent some time sleeping, but रात को जो सोते हैं लोग वो दिन में I cannot sleep at day time, maybe afternoon time, but not in the daytime. I am not a day sleeper, और इसलिए I wasn't able to sleep. और अभी मैं if you don't know, I am very tired right now and I'm feeling sleepy, but I cannot sleep. It's so damn humid in here. So anyways guys, that's all for today. And yeah, even though I'm back at home, I'll make sure to keep updated and make more videos like this and keep you entertained. So see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and stay tuned. Bye bye.